Alrighty guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and then today we got something very special for me. We are repairing the Roper, which is made by Whirlpool, top load washer. This is the belt drive series that it has these lights that tells you what we at. And then your button for your start, pause, and your unlock lid. So, it's doing the like it's doing a bit of a longer strokes.
You know, William hasn't eaten cereal since when he was gluten-free.
HE, high efficiency. You got your water level control. You got auto sensing, extra rinse, auto sensing.
Although we ate Miss Shelby's chicken.
I put it on auto sensing, so it doesn't take as much time to fill. And then temperature, I set it to code just to help with the environment, and also just helps keeps us safe. And then I put it on rinse and spin because my mom told me it only does that noise, you know, when you add some water and not only that, if you put clothes on it too, you put some clothes on it and then just let it do rinse and spin. That's what my mom told me that. So a good, hey mommy. Making a video for YouTube, and then I told the YouTuber, you know, I told you, you know, if you put clothes on it, and then just add some water, you should get some effect.
Yes.
Right?
Well, you know that girl who was in Smallville in that cult.
Yeah.
They got that.
Apologize for all that. Apologize for all that talking in the background.
Oh, I'm sorry. Am I ruining your YouTube?
No, you're good. Go ahead. I just wanted to let them know. Yeah. It's gonna change over to the final spin here any moment. And also, I kind of learned that from myself. Oh, it's getting there. It's gonna change the final. Hey, mommy, Michelle, mom, it's gonna change the final spin here in a second. Watch, mommy. It's gonna change the final spin.
Okay. Well, that's what we want. Final spin.
Watch.
I'm watching.
It's gonna change. Mommy, look. Watch. Oh.
Okay.
Oh. It's adding some more water. So you know, because you know you're putting some more laundry inside.
Okay.
See, you know, it's adding some more water. You know.
It sounds pretty good.
Yeah. It does sound really good to me. I think it's going to change to final spin here any moment.
Okay. Well, that's where the money is. That's where we're going to figure out if it's
making that noise.
Yeah.
So that is the culprit right there.
That's the culprit.
It doesn't start spinning right away. Oh, what? Oh, it went.
Okay. Okay.
You missed it, mommy.
That's okay. I'll watch your video when I get.
Oh, hear it? Mode shifting. Shifting to spin.
What are you looking for out there, William?
I just wanted to see you know that.
If the water comes out.
You know the water comes out. Here it's sucking the water out. Oh. There's that click. It's shifting into the spin. And not only that, Mommy, the drain pump kicks on, and the mode shifter turns on at the same time. That way, so it helps saves a lot of time.
You're doing great.
Yeah. Now we see to wait until the you can't spin it when there is water still around. It has to drain all the water first before it can start spinning the basket. You know that, yeah?
Well, I know these things from you.
Sequence. If anybody is wondering why those lights blinking, you know, it's just the camera itself, the frames, you know, the frames per second can't keep up. It's not the lights from the machine itself, it's just the camera. Look, if you
I know, I see it. That's interesting.
frames per second can't keep up, so with the lights and all that, so that's why those lights, you know. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Oh, I heard it stop for a moment. Oh, there it goes. Let's see. I'm gonna stop it just in case if it's making that noise. Yep. Oh. There it is.
Okay.
I'm gonna cancel it.
Okay. That's the noise.
There we
All
go.
right. Now, can you fix that?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's still locked. Look.
Okay.
How do you fix it, though?
How do you fix it, William?
You just have to unplug the machine and then just take out the little latches right here.
Uh-huh.
But the lid is still locked. We have to wait until.
You wait.
But now you know, right?
Yeah, it was very loud. They were right.
It felt like,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I would quit doing clothes.
I stopped it right away after that happened, so you
know
don't.
that if you just put 2 or 3 things in,
Yeah.
it won't happen. That's why I think.
All right, let's unplug the machine before you do anything.
Yes, please.
So before you get started, you want to unplug the washer,
For safety, right?
right? And let's see, get these things out. If I can. All right, let me stop the video real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, YouTubers, sorry for about my my head, because I was having a bit of a bad day a couple of days ago, but it's not a big deal. But all right, so just a recap that this washer was banging at the spin cycle. Chances are the suspension rods are going out. So we're gonna order new ones. There will be a follow-up video on YouTube. So if anybody wants to see it, I'll let you guys know. So I hope you guys enjoy this this video, the repair video. I already did all the diagnostics on it, but everything checked out just fine. The banging part at the spin cycle only does that on Is it the banging noise? It's only does that on full loads. Yeah, mommy. All right. So now, just a quick note that it does not always bang. Like, it only does that on normal to large loads. Yeah, mommy?
That's right.
So,
Small loads are okay.
small loads, nothing to small loads work fine, no problems. We tested that. So, we're gonna order the new suspension rods. If you are interested, I'll put the link into the description. So if y'all want to come check it out. So as always, guys, there will be a part 2 follow-up video if we have plenty of time. So as always, guys, thank you very much for watching this washing machine repair video. I didn't have time to make the full video because that thing is heavy. I've been trying my best to spend my time. So yeah, follow-up video will be coming up very soon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this troubleshooting video. There will be a follow-up video of this machine once we get the parts, and I'll try to do the tutorial to show you how you can change out the suspension rods and get it going and save you a lot of money. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. Once again, there will be a follow-up video of this machine. So I love you. That's my mom saying I love you. I just want to let you guys know on YouTube about the recap. So it's always, guys, follow-up video will be coming up very soon. Bye.